guys, how's it going? Hope you all are having a great day today. Today's video is how to replace a tube and a tire. Obviously you can see this tire is in nasty, horrible condition. I might do a video on it here in the future. Trying to straighten this rim out. But for the time being, I'm going to show you guys how to take not only the rubber, but the tube that's inside the rubber off with just your hands, and maybe at most a flat screwdriver. But mainly it'll just be your hands. And so hope you guys are starting to like the content. As I said, we're going to be a lot quieter in here, so we'll be by ourselves. We're going to have no interruptions. We've got great lighting, as you guys can see. It's pretty well dark outside, almost. I'm just grabbing tools if you're hearing noise, just to do that guy up here. So I'll turn it so that you guys can see it. This rim is in pretty nasty condition here. Let me zoom in a little more. This camera is the same one I've always been using, but I've been able to figure it out better so we can do some more focusing. Last video, I'm sorry about it, it wasn't very good. It was just all rushed to get a video out here in 2020. As I said, the channel is getting bigger in 2020. Let's see how big we can get the channel. We're growing slowly by like 1 subscriber a day, slowly. But we are slowly growing. So here's where initially that flat screwdriver helps, especially on a bent rim. And I mean, you don't need a flat screwdriver. Like, you can use something, you know, just like this. Torx. Coyotes are howling. That'll be about the only thing, and the dogs will start up. But here, I hope you guys can hear him. As you see here, pop it out. Grab a second screwdriver here. Hopefully a flat. Here, I got this second flat. So you get a second little screwdriver under there. As you see, it gives you... Can you guys hear me? Sounds cool. You get under here, and a bent rim is a lot harder with your fingers, but I'll show you how to put it back on a straight rim with your fingers. So now you get under it, and you move this guy up. Here, come under. This is really hard because, again, this rim is just like a pancake. Like, it's been all warped. It's nasty looking. Come on. There. Now I can get it with my hands. So once you start getting, as you guys see right here, this here lip over top the rim, you just come around with your fingers and just pull it up, and it just lifts. There. We're almost off already. And then you come here to your valve side of things. You guys can't even quite see me here. We're going to use this valve here. Pop that out. Pop that out and then out, and then you're just going to grab it and pop it up. Again, you can use your Torx head to get it started, or a small flat. Like, you don't need anything huge for it. Where am I here? Get it started to come over. Then I just take my Torx head and I just run it right around. Now I lift it off. Okay, second rim. Actually, our tread's the same. Actually, they are. So I'll keep this for this rim, but we'll pull out this tube here. And it's good to have it pumped up somewhat like this. As you see, your rim should fit in there tight, so that your tube should fit in your rim tight, so that your tube can make the tire stiffer, so that this is the new back tire. It's straight. It is missing a spoke, right? Actually, that's not a spoke. That's actually where you. I thought that was a spoke. But that's where you put the tube in, right here. I thought it was a spoke at first, but tire's not even got a wobble in it. We might paint the rim because, as you guys see, like right in here is a little on the rusty side. But again, this one here might be easier to. There. See how I just popped that up? Can you guys even? Yeah. Okay, I popped that up with just my fingers on a straight rim. Just run my fingers in. I don't know. I didn't even see any videos on this with your fingers. Lots of guys use those fancy tools, and you know, but I don't. I'm not fond of those fancy tools because not everybody can have, you know, a fancy set of tools. And this here, what this is doing is the cheapest way possible to do a good job of it, right? And that's what I'm all about, is saving you money, and not, as the description says, I'm here to save you money, not, you know, break your bank in prices with all these fancy tools, because I don't even have the fancy tools. I've been doing it for a long time this way. And again, walk it around, tuck it in. That's all you do. And you make sure it's straight, obviously, and you just walk it in. And this is just with my hands. I'm not even using, like, I have my screwdriver here, but I'm not even using it. Man, that lighting helps to keep this camera in focus. Good lighting, too. Okay. Hope you guys like the editing. The new intro. Again, as I keep saying, 2020 is a year of big changes. For me learning how to edit. Woo! Jeez. You guys went off the table. That's going to go in there. I was going to cut that out, but no, I'm leaving that in. That's funny. Okay, you guys stay here. Don't be bad. Stay. Stay. Watch what you're doing. Okay. So you just tuck this. Again, just push it under this rim. Just like this. And then it all fits in. And this one's actually pumped up better. Now this will be tight here. And that is great. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. Right here. Yeah, so this is going to be tight. Again, that's where you can use your flat or your Torx head. I try not to use a flat, mainly because you risk more of a chance of puncturing a tube that way than, you know, with your bare hands. So, if you use your bare hands, I mean, for 90% of it, I mean, this last little bit, if your tube is flat, it goes in way easier. But this is in now, folks. All I'm going to do is go up and pump up the tire to, all these, so on the 26 inch by 2 inch tires, or 2.0, 26 by 1.95 is this one. On all these tires, it's between 20, it says on it, it's just 26 to 46 psi. 40 to 65 psi is what you put in them. I run in all my bike tires, like all the ones that have 26-inch high rims, I just run 40 psi. And then the ones with the 20-inch and smaller, like the 2019s and 17s and all them, like on the real little ones, like on those balance bikes that you get with no pedals, I run, in the tires I run 20 psi, and then it's between 25 and 40 psi for the 20-inch tires, and the 26s I run at 40. You do not want to go, and here's why. This tire says that it's rated for between 40 and 65 psi. You do not want to go anywhere close to the max number. You want to go right around the minimum number, which I usually go between 40 and 45 psi is a very, a good, 45 and 50 psi is a very good mid-range. And I try and keep all my, like I don't put 40 in my front tire and 45 in the back tire. I try and keep them as even as possible. So all I have to do now is just pump up this tire, and I have a bike to put it on. I'm going to have to adjust the derailleur, so I'm going to do a new video on that. The old derailleur video was just explaining how to do it. It wasn't me doing it like the rear derailleur video. So the next video, or in a couple days, in the next couple videos, will be the derailleur video. So, adjusting a rear derailleur, I did a video on it, but I don't think I explained it very well. Got fishing line wrapped around our... It's good to, because I get all my tires and bikes from the dump, so it's good to clean off the rims, and I mean, I oiled this one up. As for like oil and lube and stuff to use for your bikes, this one here I painted over. It's not sponsored, but if you're watching, sponsor me. Fluid Film. I don't even know if they make this anymore. I just found a few old bottles. Works the best. Either that or WD-40. But yeah. What else do I have to touch on? Other than probably the next video will be trying to straighten this rim out. I gotta try and get it at least decently straight. But I will catch you guys in the next video. See, like I keep saying, let's see how big I can get the channel by the end of the year. The end of 2021. See how big... Come on. How big we can grow our channel here. And without you guys, you know, watching and whatever, I wouldn't be having fun. I'm glad that you came today and come in the shop and wrenched with me. We're empty. Gotta buy some more spray paint. Glad you guys came and wrenched with me and had some fun with me. I will catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully in the next, I'm hoping to post every 2, 3, 4 days. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe, like, and share.